Unlock the power of streamlined finances for your small business in under 2 minutes by setting up your QuickBooks Online account today. Step 1. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. You can easily find it by searching for QuickBooks Online in your preferred search engine, or by typing the direct URL into your browser. On the QuickBooks Online homepage, locate and click the prominent button that says Create Account or Get Started. This will initiate the sign-up process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. This typically includes your email address, which will be your login username, and you'll need to create a secure password. You'll also provide your business name as you'd like it to appear. You'll then be asked about your business. Choose the type of business that best describes yours, and select your industry from the drop-down menu. This helps QuickBooks tailor its features to your specific needs. Ensure you select your correct country and your primary business currency. This is crucial for accurate financial tracking, especially if you deal with multiple currencies. Carefully review the terms of service and the privacy policy once you're comfortable. Check the box to agree and then click the Start Trial or Continue button to finalize your account creation. Congratulations! You've successfully created your QuickBooks Online account. You're now ready to start organizing your business finances, sending invoices, and tracking expenses from anywhere, anytime.